As a ham radio operator, so much of the buzz these days is about Meshtastic. So I thought I would try it out, looked around at all the different sets out there and different ways to go. And I decided on this set. It's a 2 set with this Meshtastic LoRa board and then a really nice housing. And that's ×2. So this is, you can buy this set just one. You can buy it with different colors. I decided to buy the green color, and it's the double set. So everybody's going to be interested in the case. Since the internals are pretty similar, the case is what sets this set apart. And it has this really nice green case. It's going to encase the battery, the antenna, and everything right at once. All the hardware is included. That's the battery. And then we've got this L1 Wio Tracker Meshtastic Dev Kit. And we'll go in and open this up, set it all up. It's a DIY set, and that's why I bought it. You get 2 of them, and that's 2 nodes right away. Hope this helps.